Man of interest here, and it's Black Friday, which means I have my stretchy pants on and I've been in front of the computer looking for some deals because yesterday was quite filling. In case anyone's wondering, turkey, stuffing, fried shrimp balls with sweet and sour sauce, mashed potatoes, pumpkin pie, Peking duck, even more. All the good stuff. But I'm full, the stretchy pants are on, and I got a awesome list of Black Friday deals. So if you're looking for a little something for yourself this weekend, your luck. Whether you're naughty or nice, I have a list for you. But before I share that list with you, I'd like to share this episode's sponsor, which is Novelkeys. Novelkeys has started the pre-orders for their cream switches, which are a unique linear switch with a self-lubricating palm housing and stem. Check them out at novelkeys.xyz. Starting off this Black Friday list is Novelkeys, because not only do they have the pre-orders for their cream switches, but they have some heavy discounts for their box switches, new and old, Cherry MX switches, Choc Switches, and some other goodies. So if you're looking to buy some stocking stuffers early or parts for a build, this is the place to be, especially with those $18 big switches. That's a great gift for a keyboard friend who might need one. No promo codes will be working on the site during this time on these discounted items, but you can check them all out at novelkeys.xyz. Next up, we have Z Frontier, and oh boy, they have quite the Black Friday going on. First of all, they have this key set treasure chest crate where you can get some awesome key sets that you might have missed out on in the past, like Hyperfuse Origins. They also have a 5% and 11% off deal for certain key sets, and some of these key sets, like GMK Pristine, were basically out of stock before, but now back in limited quantity. So maybe a good chance to get the set you missed for a little bit less too. And maybe you're not looking to get a new graphics card, but looking to get a new keyboard. Well, they got the Time TKL and ALF X3 back in limited quantities. Most likely extras from the group buy ready to ship, so check those out, Z Frontier. Next up, we have Cutternut Store, keeping it real simple. In addition to their giveaways that they've been running for the last week, you can snag yourself a White Fox for $30 off or a Nightfox for $40 off. Perfect for anyone looking to get their first 65%, or perfect as a gift for anyone who doesn't have a mechanical keyboard yet. Kind of a good time to get into it for a pretty decent price. The next store hasn't been the most active in some time, but it's KeyClack, who is back. We got some BKE light domes, which are blue, and I have some HHKB BKE light domes. I really like them. Would recommend. In addition, KeyClack is stocking DSA Hydro and some Maxkeys sets, especially great if you want to try SA on the cheap. KeyClack. Next up, our man Zeal at Zeal PC had some round 1 Zephyrs, but they went out of stock in less than half an hour. That's probably because they're like ready to ship right here. Those went by quick, but that's not all he has. If you're looking for some Zeal 65 PCBs for your own projects, currently discounted. Would recommend if you want to build your own 65%. Next, he also has some V1 Zelios in the 65 gram with the milky housings, 50 cents each. Get it on quick if you're looking for a light tactile switch. Over at KBD Fans, they have what they're calling the Black Friday Super Discount, which is a series of codes getting you not only bigger discounts for the more you spend, but for a lucky amount of people, keycapped gifts included with their order. So if you're looking to build one of their keyboards, this is probably the perfect time to do so, especially that new KBD 65%. Next up, we have 1UP Keyboards, and this is an interesting one because they posted on Reddit, they're going to do a Black Friday sale. Yeah! They just didn't list when they're going to start it. They're like, we're just going to start it when we start it, so I don't know. I don't have anything to say here in my notes. Just, if you are interested in any of their stuff, pay attention to their site. Next up is a real big one that you should already know about if you don't. Pimp My Keyboards, aka PMK, site-wide 15% off Black Friday sale. So if you're in the mood to try out any of their key sets, DSA, G20, DCS, go snag a set. This is the perfect time to do so, especially if you like some of their colorways. So, perfect time for PMK. Last but not least, you might have just decided, I have all these great parts from all these great Black Friday deals. I want a nice case to hold them in. Modern Coupe, running their own Black Friday sale. They have some really, really nice premium looking carrying cases, and they're probably really, really high quality as well. So not a bad idea if you're looking for a nice case to carry your new board, or maybe an existing board, to and from work or around the world. I hope you guys liked this quick overview. What sales did I miss? If I miss any sales, comment down below so anyone who watches this video can just look at the comments to see what else I missed, so there's a nice big list of Black Friday deals. If you guys like this video, feel free to, like, subscribe. If you want to support me on Patreon, that's an option as well that I'd highly Highly recommend. I hope you all have a great weekend. I'm going to eat some leftover pecking duck. I'll see you guys on Monday for This Week in Keyboards. Ciao.